Hi, my name is Guy Racy. This is my brother Itai, the biggest car guy I know and our in-house inventor. Our father Michael always pushes us forward, sometimes a little too much. Together we have created Enicar Connected, a great tool to modernize classic cars and hot rods. Now with COVID-19 slowing down the world, we have some time to show you what we love to do. This is Enicar Garage. Hi everybody and welcome back. Last time we finished cleaning up the garage and setting everything up so that we can actually start working on the truck. In the last few days we searched for all the parts that we need and we can start with the assemblies. Today we're going to work on the door. We're going to introduce a couple of modules into the truck and we're going to start modernizing it. At the end of the day we're going to have power windows and central locking. Itai has prepared all the parts for us and let's have a first look.
Yeah, we put all the parts on the table in the same basic layout that they will go into the door. We'll start from the front, which of course is the actual vent window. Behind it is the front channel for the main window. The back channel goes on the back. We have already attached the power lock mechanism to the channel, and between the two channels we have the lifting mechanism of the actual window. The only part that we changed from original is this, which we added the motor. It is out of a Chevy truck, and we fabricated some tabs on the back so that we'll be able to attach the motor to it.
I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we also have a different handle for the door. This is not the original part that you'll find on a 62 Willys truck. We actually took this from a Honda Accord, and there's a couple of reasons for that.
Yeah, the first reason is that the handle is chromed, so it fits the rest of the trim very nicely. The second reason is that it has a very high angle on it, and this allows us to put the handle in the car without doing any modification to the sheet metal of the door.
And I think one of the most important reasons is that it's going to look great on the truck eventually.
Yeah, that's true. We also needed to use the latch of the Honda. It makes the installation of the new handle very easy, and it also is a more reliable and smoother operation of the handle.
So, are we ready to start?
Yeah, we are. Let's get our hands dirty.
Let's do it.
Well, now that the handle and the latch are installed, we can connect them to the lock button and to the power lock actuator. In order to do that, we need to make some rods that were not existent since it's a custom install. The way that we did this is we took just regular construction electrical wire like this, we bent them to shape, and once we were happy with the results, we transferred them into a brass rod that we'll be using. So you see, perfect match. The first one is very easy to bend, so it was easy to fabricate. And once we were happy with the results, we did it into the solid rod. Before we drill out the rivets, I clamped the large sprocket as it is spring-loaded, and once we drill out the crank mechanism, it will want to jump out of place, so I just clamped it to hold it in place.
looks pretty good.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'll be happy when it's gonna be in the door, and working, but.
Me too. So the bolts are here, the motor. There we go.
Let's test it out. You have the glass?
Yep, all ready for install.
Let's get it in.
Nice and easy. Okay, pin is in.
Very good.
Hi guys,
Hi, Dad.
how's it?
Fine, and you?
Okay. Is it ready?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet, okay. Remember the 3 hours that you made me clean up this place? When you started?
Don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Maybe this will remind you something.
So, doesn't ring any bell?
Nothing. Come with me and I will remind you. Come on.
Sounds scary.
Let's see what he wants.
Winter is coming and I want the garden prepared. There is enough to do here.
Well, let's not waste any time.
Okay. Sorry, excuse me. These are your tools. This is yours. This is yours. This is mine. So best of luck, and I'll see you in 3 hours.
This doesn't even have a blade on it.
You'll manage. Good luck.
Now that Michael got his revenge, we came back to finish the work on the truck. With the front channel in place, the vent window installed, the felt tightened, and the window bezel closing it off, it was time to test if it works. The only thing left to do is wire it up to the Enicar Connected system. Coming up later in the season. Next on Enicar Garage. Work on the doors is almost done. The only thing missing are the panels. Prepare your sewing machines as it is upholstery time. Unexpected damage to our 1970s Mini Cooper delays the build as it needs to be fixed. Join us to see how the guys handle it all.